Hello everyone, I'm back with another video and today I am going to be showing you how to make your own thumbnail using Picsart, CapCut, and Pinterest. You click on Tools and select Crop. This is where Pinterest displays a variety of aspect ratios for social medias like Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, YouTube, TikTok, and Etsy. Next, Picsart offers a range of ambience and monochrome shades because it will allow the colors to be blended into a light and dark contrast. Therefore, your thumbnails will look hyper realistic. Also, we have a lot of simple visual effects, black and white, blur, AI generated colors, and other artistic elements you can also include for this thumbnail. Moving on, I have opened up the text button and right now I am writing the word hello. This is where you can choose different font styles to get creative. Sometimes I like using the retouch button because it allows your subject's facial features to be softened up and it's a great way to smooth out the thumbnail. Using a remover tool to highlight the specific part of a background and therefore it will automatically erase any pixelated things that are still remained on the photo. When you open the Picsart sticker folder, it will show a lot of search engine keywords that you could either select for the thumbnail or have the option to search up a word. For the cutout tool, you can manually outline against the subject and press the auto button to remove the background from the foreground. This is a photo gallery where all of your downloaded images will be placed once you have exported them out from Pinterest or a Google browser. There are also so many different AI portraits and narratives you can use for your own projects. If you wanted to add another layer behind the thumbnail, you can always change the background color and also the ratio as well. These are also extra customs. You can go crazy with the whole Valentine hearts or the stars just to make everything look colorful, I guess. If you're going for a professional aesthetic, borders are an effective way to make your thumbnail look organized, and I just love how it stands out. Experimenting with shapes on Picsart is a great way to design your very own pattern. Therefore, you can choose from simple outline, icons, logos, and strokes. With the brush tool, you can increase the size, change colors, and sketch out your own illustrations to make the concept look very unique. I mostly use the shape mask to create my own YouTube profile and it makes everything easier to work with. If you're a big fan of textures, Picsart has multiple of templates you can choose from, different categories and seasons based on your own preferences. This part is all dedicated to every AI feature, and if you look at my most recent files, you can see that I've used an AI image generator for profiles, an AI background creator for storylines. Now we have entered the Picsart monthly subscriptions. They offer a range of free versions and gold versions, but one thing for sure, the free versions are very limited when it comes to resources, whereas if you pay for the £10.99 monthly gold subscription, you can unlock everything. I have basically typed in keywords that are related to the school concept that I am planning to use for my thumbnail design. Save your thumbnail as a JPEG image. Now we're going to move on to CapCut. Select New Project, Photos, and click on the previous thumbnail. After that, scroll and we're going to remove that CapCut black screen. Then you're going to select on Add Text, and then now you have the option to write something. So as you can see, I am typing out first day of uni because once again I am making a school concept for this thumbnail. Also, please take your time to choose the font's style, color, and background. Change the 720p to 4K. After, take a screenshot of your thumbnail, crop it, and save it to your camera roll. After, go back to Picsart, select your thumbnail, click on the filter mode, and from there, I'm just brightening my thumbnail display because I think warmer tone looks so much better than the cool tone perspective.